Hello Glamazons, it's me, and this is a sponsored video. I was sent this package by Panty, so I said I would unbox it and review it. So here's the package, and it says complete freshness when you're on the go. And then here you see a little package there. And so inside there's supposed to be a panty, a liner, a wipe, and a little bag where you can, it's like a laundry bag. So this should come in handy if you have any sort of sports activity, like if you go to fitness classes. I don't know what's in here. If there's anything where you use a locker, if you want to pack an overnight bag or anything like that. So they sent me two. And let's see what else is in here. So it says Panties on the Go, complete pocket size luxury kit. 4-in-1 includes a seamless panty, which is awesome, liner, wipe, and a wash me bag. So, always prepare for life's unpredictable moments. The size extra large apparently fits up to a size 22. So, this is like if you get your first periods, if you're going to have sex with your man, unplanned sleepover, public bathroom disasters, or like if you leave the house with the wrong underwear and you have like panty lines showing. Now, this is a good one. Luggage gets lost, long road trips, layovers, work day. Sometimes you just don't feel fresh. If you're stuck somewhere during a storm. For the gym, of course, this is excellent for a gym bag. No time to go home, last minute change of plans, unexpected period, vaginal discharge, bladder problems, odor, uncomfortable sweat, incontinence, coughing, sneezing, laughing too hard, pregnant mommy oopsies. Great as stocking stuffers, bachelorette favors definitely, and a first period kit. Put these in your purse, makeup bag, desk, car, carry-on bag, gym bag, pool bag, beach bag, backpack, locker, or your pocket. Great for biking, hiking, camping, swimming, backpacking, marathons. Very cool. They have all their bases covered. Just making sure that none of my information is on here before I flash it on camera. So again, seamless panties to go. For every Panty Fresh photo you post on Instagram using the hashtag PantyFreshGivesBack, Panty Fresh will donate $1 to Autism Awareness and Autism Reach. And here is a code, return10, for 10% off of your next order. These are about $13 if I remember correctly. But again, I was sent these complimentary. And there seems to be a card in here. Let me open that off camera really quick. Whoop. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in there. What is this? Okay, so there's a business card in here for the founder and CEO, Nada Shillian. So there's her business card. Very, very cute. And then there's a card here. Let me see what it says. Okay. Oh, wow, a handwritten note from the CEO. Okay. So, focus. Hi, Tiffany. Thank you so much for collaborating and doing unboxing for Panty Fresh. Can't wait to hear your feedback and look forward to sharing it to our website on those social media channels. FYI, they mentioned the autism awareness and how they donate when you get back. Hashtag Panty Fresh gives back on Instagram. Extra large also fits up to a size 22. We would love to accommodate every woman and young girl. This is excellent. I think this is a genius idea. So I wanted to see if an extra large really is stretchy like that. So you guys know I am not a size 22, but again, I wanted to see. So in this little teeny box, there's supposed to be a thong, liner, wipe, and a wash me bag. And in this one, a bikini instead of a thong, liner, wash me, and wipe. So let's see the thong. That's kind of sexy. And there's the back. So let's see. I'm definitely going to put one of these in my gym bag. And I'm probably going to keep one either in my carry-on or at my desk at work. Ooh, this packaging's a little tight. Don't want to goof up my nails there. Okay, so that's what's inside the box. And it is sealed. Oh, okay, so I guess this is a little wash me bag. That is genius, okay. Oh my goodness. So cool. Ladies, you need this. So there's a feminine wipe, pH balanced, hypoallergenic, no chlorine, alcohol, dye, paraben or phthalate. Very, very nice. I mean, ladies, this stuff is important. And you know, things happen. Lost luggage, you know, sweat and odors and things like that. Or even me, I have gone out the house with the wrong underwear. And I don't know about you, but I don't like panty lines showing, so this is excellent. Look at this cute little panty liner. That is adorable. And here is the underwear. It is definitely seamless. This is definitely a thong. Let me see. Let me grab something white there. So as you can see, this is the thong. And okay, it does feel a little plasticky, but again, it's great in a pinch, and you can see it does stretch. There's the inside. Machine wash cold. Cool, so you can reuse these. That's very nice. This is a thong. Let me see. Oh, it's very, very stretchy. Okay, this definitely has to fit up to a size 22. Like, it is stretchy, ladies. Like, it stretches out to like the size of my shoulders. So, this is very, very cool. And I like that I was able to open it, and what I can do is fold it back up nice and neat. And I can actually take the time to put it back in here so I didn't waste my kit by unboxing it. I think this is very, very nice. This idea is genius. It really, really is. I mean, there's just no other way to put it. This is absolutely genius. And this will come in so handy. And it's like such cute little packaging. You really can't go wrong. You can throw these anywhere. Like, this will literally fit in your pocket. And I think the price is very fair. Look at that. It just seals right back up. Look at that. Folds right back up. And I can put it right back in a little box. That is so cool. And then I guess you can stock up on wipes and things like that and panty liners and kind of refill them. So this is absolutely excellent. They are on all social media. And again, they have thongs and briefs. And here is a sizing chart, which I wanted to showcase you ladies. So I would have been a large, but I just wanted to like test their claims that an extra large would fit up to a size 22. And it definitely has to. I mean, I just stretched this thong out, and it totally stretched out to the size of my shoulders. So I am very, very pleased. And again, this was a collaboration video, so I had never heard of Panty Fresh until they reached out to me. But again, I think this is absolute genius. And then to get a card with a handwritten note from the CEO, I think that is just beautiful. So ladies, check this out. I mean, I really want you ladies to get your hands on these. If you lead an active lifestyle, or if you like to travel like I do, you really, really kind of need these. I mean, I wish I would have thought of this idea first, to be quite honest. And again, it's great if you have young girls that are like about to get their period, or, you know, they have gym class. You know, these are great for a locker room. These are just fabulous. And even the more mature ladies, like if you do have bladder leaks or anything like that, any menopausal related issues, these would also be fantastic. And you know what? I think this is just so sweet and feminine and dainty and just girly, and this makes you feel really good about it. The packaging is very feminine and beautiful. So I have to give this like a 10 out of 10. And I definitely will be making some more purchases because I want this in every carry-on that I own. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciated this video. Please check this out, pantyfresh.com. And let me know what you ladies think. I'll talk to you later. Have a great weekend, Glamazons. Bye.